Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can archive chats in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. And let me start by saying that archiving your correspondence is a very convenient method if you do not want to delete correspondence with a person, but you don't want it to get in the way of your general chats. So, first of all, open the WhatsApp app and then go to the chat section. And here select the correspondence with the person you want to archive. So when you have found this chat, just swipe from the right side to the left side with this chat. Like this, until you see a menu like this appear. And select Archive from it. And now when you see this chat, it disappears from all the main chats and the archive section appears. Which means that this chat has been archived. This is the very simple way, friends. You can archive a chat in WhatsApp on your iPhone very quickly. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you later.